Hey guys, Swing Set Paradise here in Vineland, New Jersey. We just installed a Gorilla Great Skye to Malibu swing set. This is a cedar swing set like all the Gorilla models. Picnic table, sandbox seats. Great Skye 1 and 2 are one of the bigger models, and what they have is the front fort here that you typically see, 5-foot deck height, but they have a second play deck off the back, 7 foot tall, with a 7-foot tube slide off the back. Now that's on both Great Skye 1 and 2, the tube slide, which is nice. 7 foot gives you a little bit more room than the 5 foot for the older kids. And then the only difference between a Great Skye 1 and 2, I don't care what kind of roof it is the Great Skye 2 has this 14-foot commercial grade scoop slide off the left side of the 7-foot deck, which is awesome. Really cool swing set. And you still have that wave slide off the front, rock wall, ladder up, great rope ladder for upper body strength. You know, if you really cool swing set, binoculars, tic-tac-toe panel. That is a chalkboard with a magnetic chalk holder. That's, you can replace the chalk inside. Steering wheel. There's your telescope compass. Oh, and of course, since it's a Malibu model, it has the beautiful style roof, very unique, and it has those two beautiful, maybe nice as decorative lights, but they actually are solar lights. Not only are they solar lights, they have motion sensors which get brighter if they sense motion, like your kids playing at night. So they stay dimly lit and they get brighter if they sense motion. Have a great day, everyone.